doing? Are you being silly? Oh, you're gonna fall over. You're being so silly. Oh, what are you doing, Kai? You're gonna fall over and hurt yourself. Kaio. Honey, sit down. Sit on your bum. Sit on your bum. Oh, you like your ball pit. Hey, Kaio. Kai. I love you. Oh, your brother's waking up. Your brother's waking up. You want to go give him a kiss? Kaio. Kaio, you want to go give your brother a kiss? Kai, let's give your brother a kiss. Yeah, he's waking up. Let's give him a kiss. Oh, come on. Oh. Oh. Let's see. Oh, yeah. He appreciates that. Hello. Merry Christmas, beautiful. Merry Christmas, beautiful. Are you going to smile at Mama? Are you going to smile at Mama? Hello. Hi. There it is. There's that smile. Yeah, oh, and there's a little giggle. Oh, what's your brother doing? Kai. Kai, where's your pirate ship? Where's your pirate ship? Did Santa get you a pirate ship? Whoa. That is some pirate ship and some Mickey chair. Yeah, look at all of these toys Santa got you. You're one lucky boy. And so are you. So are you. Why are you giving that camera that look? Why are you giving that camera that look? Yeah? Yeah. Merry Christmas. You want to take your arms out? Oh. Oh, let's stretch. Let's stretch. Oh, we like to stretch. After a nap, we like to stretch. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. Oh, still stretching. Oh, and now your brother's put his forearm in his ball pit. Yep, that's your hand. I know, what's interesting? It's interesting. Yeah. Look at that slick look. You have a little slick look about you. Yeah, you're like Mama. You're gonna be just like your mommy. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you are?